account number.
Yes. So I already have copy, right? Yeah. Andito ako sa Bata Al Rajhi Bank dahil kailangan kong kumuha ng new bank account number. Kaya naman nagpa-assist ako sa isang mabuting tao, ay isang Bangladesh na marunong magtulong sa ating kapwa Pilipino, no? So ayan po, no? So waiting na ang aking process sa papel na lalabas na to. Una kong nakuha yung ATM card, new ATM. And then ito next, hintayin na lang yung papel lalabas na.
Command number, name, all good. Command number,
The card inside. Thank you, my friend.
Yes, I already have here. Anytime come back, I help you anytime.
Yeah, thank you so much. You're from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
So good guys, help me to open the new account in the what bank this one?
Bank
Rajhi
Al
Bank.
Rajhi.
Okay.